Got guineas over there. My beautiful boy right there. Here's Goat Hill. Some roosters back there. Where's Amy?
Let's see. Both of them went around. Now they're fighting the ghost who goes feeding first.
Sweet baby goats over there. Look at the babies. We'll go find her. Mommy's taking some videos so y'all can watch it later, okay? Of all the animals. Let's go see the rest of them. Are you allowed to? Here, the cows. Here are a couple more baby goats. Just born yesterday.
So can I?
You need to go ask one of the other grown-ups.
Be careful not to freak the newborn.
What, Ariel? What? Couple of baby cows.
Jeff got horned in the stomach a long time ago.
This is a mean bull they just got. Horses. Careful, Shep, Noah. Careful.
Don't worry, he's inside the cage.
Careful, Noah. Chickens.
They always
Donkeys.
freak out a lot if you.
What are they doing to that poor chicken? That poor guy?
He only freaks out a lot if you run by him.
Well, come on, Boo. Come on, Noah. Where are you going, Noah? Noah, come on inside. We got to get ready for church. Want you with me? chickens. A longhorn, 2 longhorns, a baby cow. He's so cute, another baby cow. Ooh, look at that big old longhorn over there. Man, you guys are some scary looking animals. This is the farm. Got more chickens over there. The sights and sounds of my parents' farm.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby girls.
Nico just stuck in your... But, Mama, I can't go right now because Sandy scratched real hard.
She scratches real hard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Grandma,